Hey Courtney, it's Devin again. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and thank you for speaking to me earlier. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix immediately so you can start bringing in more customers. And I know you're probably wondering, Devin, why would you make me this video? It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are so busy taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that whenever I make these attack plans and I give them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back saying, hey, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you do this stuff for me? Whatever you want to do this information is okay with me. My only goal is to educate as many business owners as I possibly can. And what I'm going to talk to you about today is content, backlinks, and citations. I wanted to start by mentioning I really like the look of your website. These little animations, the red, white, and blue is really nice. Having trust badges here and a really unique logo is really nice too. It's a beautiful website. Google doesn't unfortunately rank you based off of the look of your website. What they care mostly about is this stuff right here, all this content you can read. They want to see a lot of content because the more content you have on your page, the more likely you're going to keep people on your page for a long time, which is what they want. Now you want to have about 2,000 words on your homepage and you have 623. So I would recommend getting that up to 2,000 words. You're also going to want to make sure that you have keywords in your content such as like AC Repair Lewisville. A bunch of people search this up every single month. And you actually don't have that on your page one time. So you want to make sure that you put that kind of stuff in your 2,000 words. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites saying that you're a trustworthy website. But keep in mind they do want to see relevant links. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you're getting web links from like other HVAC companies instead of like Pizza Hut, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. I know there's a lot of information here. I'll explain what you need to look at. It shows that you've been around for a very, very long time, and you've kind of gone up and down with the amount of links that you've had. You currently have 53 websites linking to you, which is a great start. If you want to beat your main competitors, which is Southern Comfort Mechanical, you can see right here, these guys have 153 websites linking to them. It's exactly 100 more than you. This is really easy to beat them. If these links work to rank them, they'll work to rank you too. So I would go take all these links and throw them on top of yours. All you do is you go visit these websites and you do exactly what they did. If they may have had to like click the contact us button and email the owner and ask for the link. They may have had to create a profile and put the link in their profile towards their homepage. Or maybe they had to pay us a very small fee to put their link on the site. But whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do too. And just by following those 2 tips of getting more content and more relevant backlinks, that's how you end up taking this #1 spot organically. There's 3 spots you can show up on Google. You can show up organically right here. You can show up right here in the Google My Business section. Or you can, this is the ad section. Getting here requires you bidding higher than your competitors. But getting here is the Google My Business section. This is the best place to be. This is where most traffic goes, and it's free to get here. It just takes some time. You need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where you list your name, your address, and your phone number in different directories, such as like Yelp and Yellow Pages and CityStar and stuff like that. What I would do is I would get more citations than Northside Air Conditioning. So if you found out that they were listed in 150 directories, you should list yourself in 250 directories. And that's all I've got for you, Courtney. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a super quick recap, you want 2,000 words on your homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content. You're going to want to add these websites on top of your website, so you have a total of 206. And I would just visit all their sites and build these links pointing back to you as well. And the last thing is I would put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Northside Air Conditioning. And Courtney, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across all of Google. So I bet you're wondering, what do I do now? What I'd recommend is you take this information and you start applying it immediately, because it's going to take a little bit of time to do all this stuff, and you have to do it over time. You can't just do it all overnight. But the sooner you get started on it, the sooner you finish it, and the sooner you start making a ton of money. If you don't want to do this stuff, but you want it done for you, give me a call at any time. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right. And if I cannot help you, I'll at least point you in the right direction. But either way, I do appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video. I look forward to hearing back from you, Courtney, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.